I'm joined by the leader of Blackpool Council, Councillor Lynn Williams. Now, Lynn, can you just tell us a little bit about why young people find it so difficult to find work in coastal towns such as Blackpool?
I mean, you mentioned there is the seasonal economy, but we have the position in Blackpool where we have good jobs which we're unable to fill, so in legal, health, engineering. What we need to do and what we are doing is working with partner agencies, schools, colleges, our businesses, employers to ensure that our young people get those skills so that they can take advantage of those opportunities. So there are good jobs here, but we just need to do that work to ensure that they're able to access them.
Now, we're in a little bit of a cost of living crisis at the moment, and the illuminations start here tonight. That's a famous thing for Blackpool. Is it a bit of a slap in the face for people who are struggling to pay their energy bills in Blackpool and the surrounding areas that the lights are going to be on for 4 months?
Well, no, and I think if I explain that during the illuminations, only 10 million visitors, and that generates 300 million spend in the town. So you can see how vital and important it is to, our hospitality and tourism businesses. But the actual cost of the electricity for the illuminations is 200,000 from a budget of about 1.7 million. And that's because we have done an awful lot of work over the last 20 years. So 95% of the illuminations is LED, 1 million LED light bulbs. It's all from renewable energy. So that has meant that over the last 20 years, we've reduced the cost of electricity of the illuminations by 75%.
Now, you just heard me talking about those 13 MPs who've written to the government asking them to put more money into our coastal towns due to young people leaving because of a lack of jobs. What, in your opinion, could the government do to support towns like Blackpool with this issue?
Well, it's the funding. Stop the competition. We know in Blackpool we have health and social inequalities. We know that. So put the money where it needs to go because government knows where it is. We've recently put in our levelling up round 2 bit, and a significant part of that is for a multiversity for the town centre, which will bring together all of those strands that I mentioned in terms of working with schools, colleges, and enable our young people to access the proper training so that they can take advantage of the opportunities, and that will bring it all together in the town centre, which will also be great for the town centre footfall. So we want government support.